Hello, Legendary Limo Service. I'm working on the 29 Cadillac. I had to make some body panels, put this one in and this one, but I had to form in some trim, and this trim around the fender. So I had made the practice pieces, and then put it in a bead roller, and then bead rolled this little trim section. And I kind of have it spot welded in place. I'll come back and finish this up later. Hopefully this ties in, but this will all be canvas up here. This won't matter too much. But we're getting it closed in. Doors are working. I have to come in and finish this up and finish the roof still. If we go to this side, I can show you. These panels still need to be made. This is all the sections that are missing. So this bead roll would be something like this. That's all. That's this weekend.